Hi, my name is Dr. Arsham Alamian. I am an associate professor and the associate dean for health studies at the University of Miami School of Nursing and Health Studies. Serving our communities is at the heart of what we do. The Bachelor of Science in Public Health program is designed to help students build strong public health foundations, prepare for entry-level careers in the field, and set the stage for graduate studies in public health, health administration, public policy, and more. Our program is accredited by the Council on Education for Public Health, meaning our curriculum is held to the highest standards of excellence. You'll learn how to tackle public health challenges by drawing on knowledge from biology, the social sciences, and environmental studies, both here in South Florida and around the world. You'll understand how diseases spread and how we track them using tools from epidemiology and research to make sense of health trends and data. You'll also explore what truly impacts people's health, from culture and behavior to politics, economics, and the environment we live in. And finally, you'll dive into health policy, examining how systems work and how they can impact various communities. Outside of the classroom, you will have opportunities to apply knowledge and skills to local and international experiences. One of our program's highlights is a culminating practicum where students are matched with leaders and organizations in the field. There's never been a more important time to study public health. I look forward to seeing your application and welcoming you into the program. And don't forget, it's all about the you.